The IP500 for BMW X3 Series 2016. We're going to show you everything about this product and how to get started in the brief detail and diagnostics. We're unboxing from the company XTOOL for BMW 2016 X3 Series. They make other products for Rolls-Royces, Toyotas, American GM, and more. We're going to show you what's inside the box and show you how nicely it's presented. This is known as the IP500 series. It comes with the instruction guide and more. It is nicely packaged, protected, removing the product from the plastic housing. We have a film protector to be removed. Inside we have a USB-A to C compliance cable, and inside the cable to go to the modular system of the OBD and to the unit. A nice close-up look at the computer system. The screen is about 3 by 5.5 inches long. On the top you have a silicone door, IP rated, that opens up to an SDXC card, a USB-C area, the cable area, and the on and off area. Turning on the unit for the first time, XTOOLs, audible beep with the battery indicator, the clock, Wi-Fi connection, loading. Connecting to your Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5G. As we set the unit up, we have an auto scan, a diagnostics, an OBD2, a special function, updates, and more. We have a profile, a report, and settings. We could choose our language, pick a unit, Wi-Fi connection, display, storage, date, and about with the return. We have the adjustment of the screen level at 50% to full brightness, down to low, 0%. We could put the screen sleep 5 minutes, 15 seconds, 10 minutes, and so forth. The unit has an internal of 27.88 gig with an option of an external card, 128 gig. And we could clear the cache. We have an account information and a workshop. In the workshop, we could put our name, address, phone number, mailbox, and information, and save. We could see our reports if we have any reports. These are just how the settings work. There are 29 updates. Simply hit the update and allow the unit to update all the settings. Add blue reset, AF reset, BMS reset, clutch adaptation, NOx reset, the coolant bleeding, and so much more. The OBD2, initialize and please put into the car. It gives an audible beep. We've simply gone over in brief details about the unit, and we'll go to the car and show you how to simply look at some of the things and go through, see if there's our diagnostics. We are only going to demonstrate and demonstrate only. We are going to turn the unit off and charge up for the first time by a long press. We have a restart and a shutdown. The unit is handheld. It's got a nice rubbery grip on each of the sides. It does not have a kickstand so you can sit it down, but it can lean against the wall like so. Untie the Velcro strap and take the peripheral end and match up to the end, wide on top, narrow on bottom, and plug in and twist on. Clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to loosen. And we are ready to go to the car with the OBD end. But before we do that, we're going to take our charging cable and we're going to charge the unit up for the first time. The unit will turn on and start to charge. We have a charging LED indicator of the battery showing 70% and off. In order to wake up the charge, simply tap the on button and the screen will relight up. It'll show 100% when fully completed. This is the quick guide, the IP500 for the BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce smart diagnostic tools. It shows you everything that you need to know to get started. Check online for further details about your product. A Wi-Fi connection is needed for certain tests of your car to the unit and for downloads. So we're going to head over to the car and get started. The IP500, the module, locate where your plug is at and plug in. Over here, we dress the plug in to the module correctly. We're showing how to hook this up earlier. Lock down, and the unit turns automatically on. It shows the battery percentage, and then we hit the on button. Hold it down. We have the car running. We're going to hit the auto scan. We can manually input or auto scan. We have here is a BMW. Hit BMW again. Please download and install package updates. This unit must fully be updated before using. We're going to back out and go to the diagnostics. We could search for diagnostics, battery. We're updating 20 plus files so we could diagnose the cars. If we want to change out batteries and reset the battery, we need to have a tool, the IP500, to set the battery up. If we're looking to bleed our brakes and set back up our system for brake bleeding, that's where this tool comes in handy. It has a peripheral cable, nice rubber grips on the side, with the speakers, SDXC card, files, and more. If you're looking for tools from XTOOLs for your Rolls-Royce, Mini, BMW, foreign, domestic, imports, exports. Plugged in, battery life, Wi-Fi, auto scan. After all the updates are completed, we get an audible beep. Please wait while the communications are being established to the car. We're in the off position. With the car in the on position started, auto scan. We are asked for BMW or EV BMW. We have audible beeps as we press the buttons. The unit has read the car. It gives us information of combustion engine, gearbox, region, and more. We hit continue, and before continuing the diagnostics mode, please make sure the vehicle is safely parked. Make sure the engine is turned off and the ignition switch is in the on position. We click OK. We follow the information that it gives us. We have automatic scan, system select, and service functions. So if we look at service functions, we have the maintenance. Our oil is due soon, so we go into the maintenance. We could transport code, oil reset, maintenance correction, write personalized maintenance records, and maintenance contents. So let's look at oil reset, loading the data. Make sure that the time displayed on the dash. We have the oil reset back and continue. We have brake fluid, vehicle check, and other information to check. We have system select, drive, chassis, body, crash safety combination, roof function, parking assist, rear trunk, controller, and a lot more. We could look at our tire pressure system. We must hit OK in order to back out. We can look at the body. We could look at the chassis, dynamic stability control, parking brake, electronic mechanical power steering, integrated chassis information. There is a lot you can do with this machine through diagnostics. These are just some of the details. If you want to manually input, you put your VIN number in. This unit is portable for all BMWs. This product may be something that you are looking for. We thank you for your time. Enjoy your product.